Good evening, everybody. My name is Zen, and this is your forecast for this week, for the remainder of this week, and coming into the next 2 weeks. So we are going to have no severe storms for the remainder of this week, as predicted. But going into Friday, we are going to see some more convective available potential energy in the atmosphere. Convective available potential energy is the is instability in the atmosphere, and more instability could cause more severe weather. So the main 2 days I'm concerned about is I am concerned about Tuesday, and I am also very concerned about Wednesday. So I will only be looking at those two, but there will be severe weather even without those 2 dates. There will still be some very severe weather. So you will need to be weather aware, and make sure you're checking local news outlets or this channel, because I will be streaming with my partner as well. So let's look here on Tuesday. Also on Monday, we are going to have that here. We have like 4,000 joules per kilogram of CAPE in the atmosphere. So I will not be surprised if we do see some tornadoes on that day. And then now we're going to see some more severe weather, almost 5,000 joules per kilogram of CAPE. We're heading into 4,836 joules per kilogram of CAPE, and then that's going to slowly start dying down, and we're still going to see some more potential heading into Wednesday of that week, on the 4th. And things will be pretty calm, but we still will see some severe weather in the southeast of Texas, the extreme southeast of Texas along the Gulf. And then things will be calm until next week. We're gonna start seeing that more spread out severe weather chance right here, and then we're gonna start seeing more convective available potential energy in the atmosphere. And then on Monday, we're gonna see some more CAPE in the atmosphere affecting Oklahoma mainly, and we will still see severe weather here in Texas though, and along Arkansas and Missouri. And then this is what I'm concerned about, this massive CAPE bomb here. We have 5,000 heading into almost 5,500 joules per kilogram of CAPE in the atmosphere, which could produce some very severe tornadoes. This will be affecting Kansas. This will be affecting Kansas and the extreme north of Oklahoma. And will also be affecting extreme central of Missouri and extreme north and parts of central Arkansas. So Little Rock and those areas will be affected, along with Texas, Louisiana. Alabama might get some of the action too, and Kentucky and Tennessee. And then on Wednesday as well, we're still going to have that CAPE chance. Now it's heading more into Iowa. Iowa is going to get hit as well, but the primary threat will be most spread over Missouri and parts of Kansas, and that's basically it. And then that CAPE just starts to fade away slightly. So now let's look at the low pressure systems that'll be moving in. Let's put this on forecast loop. All right, we're gonna start seeing that low pressure system moving in that day. That could cause severe weather. That could cause some severe weather on Saturday. In parts of South. Forgive me if this is wrong. South Dakota. No, Nebraska. That's Nebraska. Excuse me. Sorry. That is Nebraska. Nebraska might get some severe weather that day. So Nebraska needs to be on the lookout as that low pressure system is going to be moving north into Michigan. And then then what are we going to see that severe? Here it is. This is Wednesday, that massive Kate bomb I was talking about. This might not look so severe, but in the coming days, it is going to be severe, very severe. And then we're going to see that massive Kate bomb there. That happens over here. Over here, we're going to see that massive Kate bomb. And that's really all we're going to see for that for the rest of the couple weeks. And then that high pressure system will be moving in along with that, with more Cape that'll be forming here. Let's talk tropical. So we do have Tropical Cyclone Jasmine right now and 98 South. Okay, 98 South is not as concerning, but we will most likely see something forming over the next couple weeks. But this will not impact any land as of right now. It's mainly going back into the ocean and will not hit anything. Let's also take a look at Tropical Jasmine. This is formed off the coast of Madagascar and looks like it will be hitting Madagascar, in the south, extreme south of Madagascar. Let's talk about the Atlantic hurricane season for a little bit, all right? La Nina is going to be there for the third time in a row. And with La Nina comes warmer waters, and with warmer waters comes more extreme hurricanes. So, people in Florida and along the coast and the Gulf, I need you guys to be prepared. Have your hurricane supplies ready before the storm, so you're ready and you do not need to go get things as soon as it comes, because things will be sold out coming in from the storms as soon as storms get called. La Nina is going to be in effect this coming season, which will give us more activity in the Atlantic and less activity in the Pacific and the Gulf. The Gulf will be active as well. We might see a couple Gulf storms here hitting Texas, Louisiana, and other states. Florida is going to be the main target, as always. Florida will always be, sadly, a hurricane target. But the hurricanes will be a lot more extreme coming around because of climate change and all that other stuff affecting the waters. We will see more extreme, severe weather as well. That is really all, and then we're going to look at day 5. We have a 15% chance of severe thunderstorms. That is going to be on Friday, the 29th, where that massive Kate bomb shows up. Also, let's look at fire outlooks. Yeah, we are going to see some extreme fire chances today, on day 5 and day 4, aka Thursday and Friday. And we also could take a look at our mesoscale discussions. We have one mesoscale discussion concerning the storms that are over here. We have isolated large hail and locally strong wind gust. There's probably not going to be a watch. This is a very weak storm, actually, considering it. It is going to be a very weak storm, as we do not have a lot of Cape, or as I think at least. If we could take a look at that here in a second. I mean, the National Weather Service says a 5% chance. Oh yeah, no, we're not going to see anything that day. We're an isolated, if at most, an isolated tornado with that. But yeah, that'll be all. Thank you guys for tuning in. That's your weather outlook for the next couple weeks. I will issue a new outlook in next week. Next week is we're going to see more severe weather chances as we get access to more models coming into the next actual couple weeks. I will be more active in during hurricane season, as hurricane season is something I personally enjoy a lot more than anything else. So I will be there for the entirety of hurricane season, concerning every storm. I'll be up as late as I possibly can concerning those storms. And I also will be streaming the severe weather events that'll be happening. Just tune into my stream. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.